Got a crazy artist for y'all today. He's visiting, we're in California, and I'm gonna teach him a little bit of things about customizing shoes. Oh, I think he's here, guys.
Yo, what's up, man?
What's up, homie?
What's up?
Oh, okay, I got you.
You know?
I got you. Yeah.
How's it going? Good. I'm ready to do something. What are we gonna do today?
I got a little surprise for you.
I'm excited.
Little does he know we got a little challenge in store for us, but stay tuned. What's up, Nash?
What's up, man?
So I brought you here today.
Okay.
You probably have no idea what we're doing.
Yeah,
But I know you know a little bit about me.
Yeah.
What do you know about me?
I know you love customizing shoes. See
Yeah.
some pretty
Oh my
sick
God.
ones at Parksart.
Parksart.
Check out his Instagram.
So I got a little challenge for you.
Okay.
I got a couple of white pairs of shoes.
Oh,
Not that many materials, but we're gonna make it work.
oh, okay. So a little challenge.
So a little, yeah, some slight.
This is what we're gonna use.
We got the Angelus Basic Kit.
Okay.
Shout out Angelus Direct. They did not send it to me, but please sponsor me. But yeah, just a simple primary color kit, brushes and all.
All right.
And we're just gonna do our thing. What kind of shoes do we bring? I'll show you.
Let's see. Let's see.
So for you, got the size 9.
Okay. Dang. Okay. I'm definitely gonna do something heat on these.
Got the white crispers, you know. Something
See a little
nice,
bit.
something
Nice,
nice.
clean white shoes.
Yes, sir. And for myself, I don't know. I like these shoes a lot, man. They're kind of different. High tops.
Ooh. Okay.
I gotta get rid of that pink though. It's not my vibe.
Getting rid of the pink.
Not the Nash vibe.
Oh, okay. No vibes, man. No
But,
vibes.
yeah,
Bad
so-
vibes.
So let's get into it. You can use whatever you want on the table.
All right.
I know you're a doodle artist, so I got you a little bit of Poscas.
Good. Good. I like.
Just so you can feel a little comfortable.
Yep.
But you're still gonna be out of your comfort zone.
All right. Yeah. I never
So-
really used paints, but you can teach me a little bit.
I think you got it. I think.
That's thinking of doing doodles on the Nike logos on both sides, and maybe even
Like
some
in
on
your
top.
style.
Yeah, definitely my doodle style on both shoes. I think that looks sick. How about you? What are you thinking?
Thinking Halloween theme, you know.
Halloween? Okay.
I've been wanting to do a Halloween pair. Haven't really had
That
the
looks
time
sick.
to it. But you know, let's get it. First we'll unlace the shoes.
Unlace the shoes?
Yep.
All right. Let's get it.
So how's it working over here?
Not good. Don't even look at it. I don't even know what's happening. But I think once I add the black and some highlights and details.
Once you do your thing, you know, with the
Yeah, it
process.
should look good. You can't really tell what it is, but
Stay tuned. Stay
yeah.
tuned.
Hopefully I can
see
turn it around.
I
Yeah.
see it coming.
Got some random thing in it.
Alright.
Wish me luck. 3 in the morning. My eyes are going fuzzy, can't really see, but I'm gonna put these laces on right now and let's see how. Are you almost done? Let's see that.
I'm almost done.
Okay.
Just gotta finish up on some detail.
Ooh, got both their shoes almost done. I only got one. Still got that one to do.
Hey, we grind out here.
Yeah, it's almost 3 in the morning.
We've literally been doing art all day.
Yeah,
We've been
all
doing
day.
art all day.